Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting Unreal Engine tutorial for you. We will be learning how to create right side only touch screen interface. So let's dive right in. First, we have to go to Input in Project Settings, and then we have to enable Always Show Touch Interface. After that, we also have to enable Use Mouse for a touch. Once that is done, we can change our default joystick to left virtual joystick. I only want left joystick to show up, that's why I'm choosing this option. If you want default joystick, then you don't have to change this. You don't see left joystick option. Click on magnifying tool icon. Now you can see left virtual joystick in Content Browser. After this, you will be able to see left virtual joystick in drop-down option. You can see that our touch interface is working. Now we have to make camera rotate according to user touch. Now go inside your character blueprint event graph. I am using third-person character. I don't want player to jump when I use touch, so I am disabling it. Search and insert input touch. After that, make custom event to update our touch position. Add input for our new custom event. I will name it Start Position. Change our input type to Vector 2D. Now, follow me properly. We are gonna add branch to check touch location to see if player is using right side or left side of screen. We are gonna add yaw and pitch inputs so that we can move our player camera left, right, up and down using touch screen. This is our touch sensitivity value. We can change this to make our touch response fast or slow according to our need. I will put 5 for now, but you can put any number value according to your needs. This value will divide your active touchscreen area. If we divide by 2, our active touch area will be equal to disabled touch area. If we divide by 3, then our active touch area will be slightly bigger than disabled touch area. We can collapse this portion of blueprint to nodes. Additionally, implementing this technique will aid in keeping our blueprints tidy and well organized. Now, I will remove duplicate input touch in my third-person character, which is causing this error message. Now, we will check our right side only touch system. You can see it is properly working. Thank you for watching.